Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this flash mount ceiling lamp for viewing purposes. Here we have the installation manual, the remote control, and the proper main unit, okay? It seems like an easy installation and it comes protected with this box. As you can see, it has a really nice, beautiful gold finish, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you will see, installing this lamp, it's really simple, and I think that it can be perfect to place it in your entrance door or where you need it. I think that it's gonna be really nice, a hallway, your bedroom, dining room, wherever you place it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and with the controller we can turn it on and off. We can change the temperature of the light, which I think that it's nice. We have warm white, neutral white, and cold white. As you can see, we can also set it up as it being dimming, which I think that it's really nice, or brighter. We can also set like a night mode, and we have in here the control for a rapid succession. Okay, dimming quickly, 100%, 50%, 20%, and change each one really fast, which I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, it was really easy installation. It doesn't take that much long. You just have to wire it and install it, and that's it. And overall, because I think that it's really nice, it has the control mode, which makes it really easy to control it. I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.